Hello. Uh, this is the working of MD, means Markdown files interpreter JS. So this is what I have all read. This is the documentation of how this works. It is just like a documentation generator. This was the file. This was the whole file that I wrote, that I specifically wrote. So the thing is, here I have told many functions that it uses and can possibly be useful in other projects also, and now I'm going to explain to you that how actually it works. Okay. Okay. So first of all, it works on first of all, we fire a function known as md.load. If we send some URL or any parameter, in any parameter we send some URL, then it loads that URL and show you the result in front. For example, I did this now. It's all my readme file which is shown here, right? And if there is no URL given, then it just picks up what is written in body and shows that. Okay, so it's like this. So I wanted to for my own checkpoint, for my own self to remember, I wanted to make a video in which I explain that how it works. Basically, we fire md.load. Md.load is written here. md.loads fire and other functions. It all works on a set of callback functions that fires like a chain, that fires in a chain, and all the data is passed within them. Here, md is a global variable, but which I have declared here, right? We fire md.load function URL, and I pass this data to get data, which is a function which is just here. It checks if URL is given or not. If URL is given, then it goes to that URL, find that what is written in that URL, and sends that as data to function pr1, which is just process1. And if no URL is given, then it simply passes the data to pr1, which is simply passes the inner HTML of body, right, to pr1, which is just process1. And here is a escape HTML function defined. Here is a process1 function. It gets a string. Okay, matlab, we send it data. That data, first all the script tags are removed here. Anything written in script tags, including those script tags, is removed here. And then all the HTML comments are removed here. And if someone has written a BR tag, which is break tag, like this, then all of the break tags are converted to line breaks here. And then all of this data, all of this which have removed HTML commands and script tags, this and changed PR tags, is sent to PR2 function, which is process2. Process2's handle data, like we give it data and it replaces all of the this whole of the code works for handling headings. This works for bold text, italic text, strike through. This for images, this for links. This is not working. I tried it. Block quotes is not working. And this handles lists, ordered lists, and this is also, there is also an error in this one. I've not cleared it yet. This works for unordered list. This is for horizontal line rules, whatever you wanna say. This is for handling code blocks, like these code blocks, right? And this is for double line breaks, means whenever we this thing adds a break, br tag, basically. And this is a special word that I have specially added, which is that if I go somewhere and write like T, that is going to give us SVG. It won't work here because it's in a code tag, and yes, it didn't work. But if I write it out here, then you can see a small tick sign. We can see it is a special function that I included. I just liked it. And then after all of the data, all of the replacings, I deliver this data to deliver function, right? And this this deliver function delivers the data to DOM. This is the deliver function, which it have a this triple dollar sign function, which returns the element. It's a promise kind of thing. It returns the element whenever the DOM is fully loaded, and when it loads, then I updates the inner HTML. Means I updates, you can see here all of the documentation is given. Updates, update, it works in a similar way. Render it, but render it a fancy way of adding something to inner HTML. Okay, right? It updates it and prints whole of the thing which we have, all of the things that we have changed. And this is how it works on the basis of chaining of callback events, a chain of callback events which do all of the work. This is also like, this is also callback, it also have a callback function. Both of them have a callback function, and these are some of the other functions that I made. I forgot to write something here. No, I added, and this was all how it works. This is a triple dollar sign, which is really useful, honestly. This is update function, this is a render it function. You want it, you can get it from my GitHub, and everything is fine, everything works, right? Basically works. Thank you.